Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Stihl 084 Magnum chainsaw. This one features a 36-inch 404 chain, 63 gauge sprocket nose bar, skip tooth chain, 121cc, very powerful saw. We'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. One thing very noticeable, it's got the foam filter, very popular here on the West Coast, easy to clean, easy to maintain, breathes a lot better. Decompression valve on the top. Got the master control right here, off, on, high, idle, and choke. It's got those wrap handlebars. Now it's missing the handbrake. You'll need to replace that if you're going to use this chainsaw. Double falling spikes. Just a big, powerful chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.